York and now shaping trends in Los Angeles, Veneda Carter continues her rise as one of today's most influential creatives in the sneaker scene. After working with major names like Kim Kardashian, Timberland, and Nike, she now steps into the spotlight with her first ever Nike collaboration. Reimagining the Air Max Muse, Carter delivers two bold colorways: white, hyper pink, cargo khaki, velvet brown and metallic silver, and white, racer blue and metallic silver, bringing her signature elevated style, golden aglets, and unique color blocking to the silhouette without altering its classic blueprint. Known for her role in the Air Max 95 Big Bubble campaigns, she now shifts focus to showcasing her own designs, including detailed previews of the standout white and hyper pink pair featuring a vibrant Air Max unit. With official images of the racer blue version already surfacing, sneaker fans are gearing up for this anticipated December release. A must-watch for collectors, trend seekers, and Nike lovers.